Hello guys, Dax here. So today I'm going to show you how to use streams command properly because there was an update which kind of broke the command. It's not really complicated, it's even easier than before, but I need to make this tutorial because the one I made is outdated now. So let's go. First of all, we need to go on advancedfx.org website, so HLA is one. You are going to download the latest HLA version, and then you are going to extract it somewhere. So in my case, I'm going to extract it here. Okay, so as you may notice, we've got a resources folder with two CRG here. So if you open it, you will see that we've got some commands with streams actions. All you have to do is to exec this CFG. You can do it by using this command on Csgo, but you have to keep the resources folder. I would recommend you to keep it anyway, or you can just copy the CFG and paste it into your CFG folder, but I really recommend you to keep it that way and to use this, okay? But it would work anyway. And now we are going to launch HLA. So yeah, this is my antivirus asking me if it's everything right. I forgot to say, but do a right click on HLA.exe properties, and in compatibility make sure you've got this ticked, because if you haven't got it ticked, you will have to do a right click and launch as administrator all the time. So yeah, don't do this mistake. So now we are going to click on File and Csgo. You have to set everything. So you have to mention where your Csgo executor is. It should be in this folder, Steam Apps Command, Constructor Offensive, Csgo.exe. Then you can use this if you want. I won't use it in my tutorial. In the graphic resolution, you can use it as well if you want. In my case, I will use it. I'm going to use this. And for this, I'm going to add Novid, but if you let it with console only, it's fine. Now you can launch. Okay, so now I'm going to make sure I've got everything running. So I'm going to use MRV command streams, for example. So as you can see, just by typing MRV, I can see all the commands, so it means that HLA is running on my Csgo. All I have to do is to load the demo. Okay, so I'm going to start here. Just launch your console and type this. Okay, so exec fx updateWorkaround. Once it's done, you should see this. It means the CFG worked properly. All you have to do is to now type streams print, and you can see all your layers. You can check them with preview. I'm going to check this, so it should be the green screen, okay, with the player models and the weapon models. We've got the word only. We also have the depth of field 1. We've got the def word, okay, without the models, player models and weapon models. And if you want to see nothing, just do this. Okay. So as you can see now, we've got our layers. If you want to start, so you can see all the commands here. I'm not going into the details, but if you just type, for example, record, you will see all commands that you can use, or which can help you if you want to do something special. But in my case, I'm just going to use start and end. Okay, record start. I'm going to let this, okay. And now I'm going to end it, so I'll start again console and I type end. Okay, so now if we go to our Counter-Strike Global Offensive folder into the entitled rec, we should have something called tech, and we've got all our layers. Just use After Effects or anything else. Okay, so now I've got everything imported into After Effects. I'm just going to show you with a little composition what we can do. I'm going to create a composition of this, key lights. Okay, this, we got it. And we are going to use this layer only. So let's use levels. Boom. With this, you will be able to modify the DOF. Okay, I want everything to be like this. You go back to your comp, you put it here, you just hide it, you add a camera lens blur or any plugin related to depth of field, and as a layer I'm going to use this one, and yeah, you can put high values. I'm going to put 10 only. Okay, so as you can see it works, and if I run it, so yeah, it's because I'm in my CFG. Yes, now it's moving. So as you can see, it works really fine, everything's working. So this is a new way to record MRE streams or streams passes. You can edit the CFG, you can also duplicate it and modify. So as you can see now, we've got tons of commands. Because of the latest update, it's kind of complicated. You have to go from a basic stream and add tons of commands to make it work properly. So as you can see, it's really long. You can edit this CFG for sure. If you didn't save an old version of this file, you just have to re-download HLAE. If you have any question about HLAE or any comment about MRE streams command, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'll try to answer. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Peace.